Hi, my name is BK Namdar, MIDM HR Wing. This topic related to HRA calculation. HRA calculation means each and every component, income tax point of view, it is taxable. Up to some extent, some components are tax free, but after submission of documentary evidence. HRA is one of them. Whenever HRA means what? House rent allowance. This is a mandatory, but this allowance is connected at the time of calculation. It is connected with metro city, non-metro city, and rent receipt, rent agreement, KYC, everything. So that whenever person is entitled to get the benefit, income tax point of view, housing loan EMI, simultaneously, if he is staying on rental basis, he will get certain benefit which is related to HRA earning. For example, suppose who is staying on rental basis, who is poor, he will never pay income tax. But sometimes income taxpayer has to stay on rental basis because, for example, I am in Pune, I am a general manager, but I have been deputed to Ahmedabad to settle that office. And in Pune area, my HRA is 25,000, but I have been deputed to Ahmedabad, so my HRA management has increased, that is near about 50,000. So that 50,000 is a taxable. So I am expecting, simultaneously I am paying 20,000 rent per month. Why you are considering 100% HRA as a taxable? So there are certain provisions, calculations and everything. So to know these calculations, and it should be connected with income tax rules and regulations, so that knowledge is a domain knowledge which is related to TDS directly, and indirectly it is connected with HRA. Whenever we are working in HR department, obviously income tax, that means TDS, HRA calculation and all types of calculation taken by payroll system. So we should have a basic minimum knowledge, domain knowledge, how to calculate taxable HRA, tax-free HRA and everything. So it is our duty and responsibility also to explain those who are taking this type of facility. That means simultaneously they are staying on rental basis and they are availing the benefit of EMI, that is related to housing loan. Okay, so this knowledge, if you want to know, we have to join such a HR related course, so that institute, that means our institute, is provide you best knowledge online, offline, including TDS, HRA calculation. Okay, all the best.